Larry, thank you so much for joining us here at RISC-V Summit. Tell us a little bit about, kind of what you've seen at the show, what you've brought to the show.
Coming into the show, and actually at the show, we made a number of announcements. Some of those announcements were around RISC-V verification methodology and technology that we're providing to the community. And then what we haven't really made an announcement about is just the number of users that are taking advantage of the RISC-V models that we provide, both the commercial tools and the freely available models.
Imperas has been a great collaborator and community leader in RISC-V International for more than 6 years. Can you share with us a little bit more about how you've seen this community progress?
What we're seeing right now is this transition from the early adopters to the mainstream. We're seeing a classic technology crossing the chasm, but we're seeing now the mainstream companies doing real things with RISC-V.
Can you shed any light on what 2023 holds for Imperas?
I think you'll be seeing some announcements from us about working with some of those mainstream companies. I think you'll also be seeing more announcements on actively partnering with some of the processor IP vendors. I think next year you'll see us talking more about software simulation. The community now is moving towards more complex processors, more complex chips. Software simulation becomes more critical. We're seeing more automotive, and software simulation becomes more critical qualification. So I think we're going to see our messaging include more software simulation and talking more about some of those partnerships as well.
Well, Imperas is an essential partner in that future, and thank you so much, Larry.